Adding text in Adobe Premiere Pro is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Begin by clicking on the text icon located in the toolbar. Once selected, you'll have the text tool activated, allowing you to draw the area where you want your text to appear on the screen. Simply click and drag to create the text box. For instance, you can adjust the size of the text box according to your preference. After drawing the text box, you'll notice a new graphic layer, V2, appearing on top of your clip. This represents your text layer. Now you can start typing your desired text directly into the text box. For example, you can type "Hello YouTube," but that's not all. You can also customize the appearance of your text. Navigate to the Effect Controls panel on the left-hand side. Here you'll find a drop-down menu under the text section. From this drop-down menu, you can choose the font style you want for your text. Feel free to explore different font options until you find the one that suits your project. Additionally, you can align your text horizontally and vertically. For instance, you can center align your text both horizontally and vertically for a balanced look. You can also apply formatting options such as bold or italic to your text. Adjust parameters like letter spacing to fine-tune the appearance of your text further. And if you want your text to stand out, simply increase its size until you're satisfied with the result. Once you've made all the desired changes, you can play back your sequence to see how the text looks in your video. As you can see, adding text in Adobe Premiere Pro is as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.